You have a relative who move to America and you call them on the phone and you hear them in the background I talk to an American and you hear them a twang. And you're like, yo, them people are fakey, man. But let me explain what is happening to you as a person who is myself in America studying. I speak proper English, or at least I think I speak standard English, because for those who don't know, English is Jamaica's language, right? But our accent is the problem. As a Jamaican, you can be speaking to an American in proper standard English, but because of our accent as Jamaicans, they will not understand one lick of what you're saying. So you have to do a little bit of twanging to get your point across, especially for someone who is working in a corporate job. They have to twang. A lack of a better word, or if they're talking to someone, you go to a restaurant chain to order some food, oftentimes they have to twang. So give a little understanding. It's not that they're being fake or being pretentious. They simply have to go to Rome and do as the Romans do, or else they won't be understood. Right? But these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Ensure that you like, comment, share, and to my profile, click the link in my bio and follow me on IG, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. All right? Take care.